So this is a general workbench. It's one of our standard workbenches that we offer to customers. Obviously it comes with whatever the customer needs. It has different variations, like this one has a monitor arm, A4, pocket, A5. Over this side then it has a tool board with various tool hooks and holders. Overall table is a standard offering that we offer on our online shop. Everything else then is extra, which makes it bespoke as well. So you combine the standard offerings with bespoke products, which is, I think, one of our qualities with this modular builds is we can offer more than one solution to any one table. This one is finished as it is, and it will be wrapped and shipped out this afternoon. The ones behind me are for another customer. The same sort of thing, they're a slightly different height, and they have a light overhead, and they also have daisy chain power banks on the bottom of them as well, to allow all the tables to be linked up together from one power source. So that is a bespoke table, but again, it comes from a standard offering table made to the customer requirements of what they actually need on the table.